Hello students, welcome back to Rising Sun Premier School. It's Ritu Yadav, your computer teacher. Today we will learn or discuss more about keyboard. So let's start. So students, you have been see computer and have used it. Now learn more about it. Keyboard is a device. It is used data into the computer. It looks like a typewriter. When we press keys, it appears on the monitor. A keyboard consists 104 keys on it. It has 5 main keys. First is alphabetic keys, numeric keys, arrow keys, special keys like control, shift, caps lock and function keys. So now I'm telling about all keys one by one. So let's start from alphabetic keys. Alphabetic keys starts from QWERTY, QUERTY. This is also known as QWERTY keyboard. So these keys A to Z are arranged in an order form. These keys are marked with capital letter from A to Z. These are capital letters. They are 26 in number. They can type in both capital and small letters. Next is numeric keys. Numeric keys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. These keys are marked with number from 0 to 9. You can find it on two places. The first set is present above the alphabetic keys and the second set is present on the right hand side of the keyboard. It is called numeric keypad. To use numeric keypad, press the numlock key to turn on. Next is function keys. Function keys F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12. These keys are marked with letter F1 to F12. These keys perform some specific function but depending on the software being used. The next is arrow keys. These are arrow keys 1, 2, 3, 4. These keys marked with arrows. These are used to move the cursor right, left, up and down. It is also called cursor control keys. And the last is special keys. These keys are used for special purpose. They can be used in combination with other keys. These keys are enter keys, spacebar key, delete key, backspace key, shift key, caps lock key, alt key, insert key, home, and these are all special keys. So many special keys there are in keyboard. So basically this is the main 5 types of keys. There are so many special keys just like shift, caps lock, tab, control, alt, pause, shift, enter, backspace, spacebar, delete, enter, page up, page down, home, delete, insert, etc. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.